Okay, so I'm going to be making this video here to show you the profile section of the app and exactly what it actually does. So down here in the lower right, you're going to see like a little profile thing down here in the bottom. So I'm going to tap on it. And now, first thing up the top is a printer. The printer up the top is basically saying it is locked on this printer, and we can go ahead and actually do another test print on it. So I can actually tap on it there, and right there it's telling me what printer is actually logged onto. You see it's that right there. So I can tap on it, tag the DPP model, and actually do a test print. And it'll actually do a quick little test print any second now. There it goes. Okay, so I confirm that printer works. I can click continue, and confirm that printer. But let's say I need to clear the printer out. I'm going to clear the printer, and I'm going to look up to a whole new printer. I can go down here to clear printer. You see the printer at the top just disappeared. If I go back up to the printer up top, again, it's looking for the printer. And that happens to be the only printer that I'm around. Well, let's say there's multiple printers around. I can pick any printer, click on it, hit the DPP model, hit test print, and then it'll print out. Now currently the DPP Datex model is what it is. It's the only printer that we're really using right now. We have another printer we support, but actually nobody's using it at the time, to this date. So I'm going to click continue and confirm that printer. So we've gone over the printer, we've gone to clear printer, refresh data. What this does is it does a sync of the app, of all the data inside the app. So I'm going to click on refresh. And you can see right now it's just doing a quick refresh of everything in the app. A lot of things will update live on the road, but some things will not. Okay, so I'm going to click continue on that. Again, it's telling me that the app is tracking. Go back to the profile. Initialize data. Does the same thing as a refresh data, but it actually clears all the data out and then refreshes it with a fresh batch of data. The print driver reconciliation. I'll go over that one in a second. Print next receipt number. Sometimes you guys will actually go to a stop and they say, "Hey, I need the receipt number to put it in the system before I can check you in." Well, this right here is telling me the next receipt number. But sometimes it's easier just to print out the next receipt number. And that's exactly what that did. And you can actually give that to the receiver so they can actually put it in their system. And it saves a lot of time for the driver. I'm going to click continue on the app. Then we have this about the app thing down here. This tells you the version that it's on, current date, current time, the device name, which matches up what's on the server, device ID, last time, date it's synced, the license number, and of course the IMEI. A lot of the information is really not that important, but it does tell the information about the app. Now, let me make a couple sales in the system, and I'm going to show you a little bit about the driver reconciliation report. Okay, so I took a moment to do a couple sales inside the system. You can see them right here on the route that are finished. So let's say the driver right now is actually going to sync his day out. Down near the bottom, we click on the profile, and they can go up here to print driver reconciliation. And you can see right here, here's the sales that are actually inside the system. I can actually mark off which ones that the office will need to remove from the system. But basically at this point, I can confirm and print, and I can either print a summary reconciliation report or a detailed reconciliation report. Which the only difference is one will print out every single sale, a detail of every sale, and the other one will not. So I'm just going to go ahead and print that out there. And you can see right there, this gives a complete detail of everything that they did for that day. Okay, so anyways, that is the profile section. Showed a lot of different information right there, but probably the most important thing on this right here is printing the driver reconciliation, where they can go ahead and sync out their day and print out their reconciliation report. Okay, so if anyone has any questions on that, please let me know.